Welcome to Augusta, Kentucky. I'm Liz Eric Dykes, owner of Howard Hanna Real Estate Services, the office here in Augusta. We're on the beautiful riverfront of the Ohio River. We are excited here at Howard Hanna Augusta to work with our community. We chose to put an office in Augusta for many reasons. One of them is these awesome riverfront views. We have miles of unobstructed river views here in Augusta. Unlike anything you've seen, we've got the best sunsets. With approximately only 8,000 residents, Augusta is the perfect place for small town USA living. But everybody jokes that it's a little slower here. Life is a little bit slower. You can't be in a hurry in Augusta, so if that's what you're looking for, we're right here.
I love that it's a small town. I can walk anywhere. It's on the river. Love the river. There's several restaurants. There's trivia on Wednesdays. A lot of the restaurants have music on Friday night and Saturday night. There's always activities going on. It's just a historic town with lots of history, gorgeous old buildings, friendly people. There's just lots that Augusta has to offer.
At Howard Hanna, our mission is simple. We want to be a part of your community. We love the communities we're in and we want to serve them as best that we can. We're always looking for opportunities to partner and collaborate with other businesses, as well as our schools and other organizations and activities. We love being a part of the community. If you ever see us in our offices, come on in, grab a cup of coffee, pull up a chair for a chat. We want to be open for our community, our agents, and you. Stop by and see us.